Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning. Hi. Good morning, good morning. Hi, hi.
Good morning, guys. First day back vlogging. I have footage, but it's much older. No, you need your cup. You need your sippy cup. So I figured I would do a day in the life video. I haven't done one of those.
I'm going to get
Never really done one of them, like really done it the way it should be done, because I'm just such a lazy person. Like, I'm learning so much about who I am with this house, and it's amazing what you figure out about yourself. Yes, honey.
I'm going to get
Why is there just 1 foot of shoe? You already asked that, Jackson. Go ahead. I said it a few times. So I'm gonna go return some stuff at Lowe's. Oh, and I do this a lot. I'm saying something and then I find that when I'm editing, I'm like, you didn't really tell them anything. So it's mainly because I have children. I promise you, it's mainly because I have children. I get so distracted. But like I was saying is, with this house, I'm learning so much about who I am. I like instant gratification, and sometimes that's not always right. You know, patience builds you. Like, see, that's a mini me. Instant gratification. But sometimes you need patience in order to develop your character. You know, you need to sit and wait, you know what I mean? And with me, I rush things, like the island. I started painting the island, but I didn't finish it because I really wanted to see what it looks like, but I didn't do it properly. I didn't take the edges off. I didn't do all that. But I'm gonna run to Lowe's, return some stuff, pick up some stuff. It's already such a stressful day. It's 9:54, so dinner's already out. I'm making meatballs and spaghetti. So let's go, people.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet. I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it. I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. What you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. Come on, say something. I wanna hear your voice. Give it all or nothing. I'm always getting lost. Ain't no time to stop it. So show me what you need. I know that you want it, but what you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. I can feel your eyes on me.
All the eyes on
Let's go, Maddie.
all the eyes on me. 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 All the eyes on me.
All the eyes are all on me. Loving the attention, I feel we're so close. Feeling the tension till it's about to blow. Another dimension.
Put your belts on. Please and thank you.
God will break you to position you, break you.
I already ate the cookie.
You to promote you and break you to put you in your right place. But when he breaks you, he doesn't hurt you. He doesn't, when he breaks you, he doesn't destroy you. He does it with grace. Ah! Anybody been gracefully broken? Taking away my burdens, setting my spirit free. The wonderful grace of Jesus, he always reaches me.
Hey, Pom Pom. Hey, Precious. Hi. You ready to go low? Yes. Where's your shoe? Here, put your shoe on.
So guys, Maddie's been crazy today, but we're at Target. You can see she has all the redness and the red of the cart. I'm not giving them a headshot. So Mommy, you want me to hold the camera?
No.
Good shot. Try it out. This is just sticking my head on. I'm just pushing it out. Try this. Oh, that's just too cold. No.
So I'm getting this guy for our room. It's 25 bucks.
Scan I? Oh, they're just random colors. I thought they were pretty.
You like the white one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll go with my room.
You like the white or this one?
I like this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. It's for something.
Jaxson, stop it. Wow, man. Beautiful canvas. What's this color? One of these.
So I just finished with Target. I got
How does he
I got curtain rods for our room. I got brow pencil because I'm out. And even though I want to be natural, it's just my brows are just they're very poor. They're very poor. If my brows were, if there was a thing as rich brows,
oh, the same thing.
These are some struggling brows. I got brow pencil and I got,
I can give you one chocolate.
let's I get pillows for Destiny's bed,
Okay.
a pillowcase for one of her pillows, something like what I got for my room. I wanted to buy all of them, but I was like, no, stick to the budget, stick to the budget. So stuck to the budget. It's 11:25, so I'm gonna go home, get some lunch because I haven't had breakfast all morning. Get some lunch and start dinner, and probably start painting the island like professionally, like do it right, professional, because I'm not a professional. So that's my project that I'm doing. Such a boring day in the life, huh? You guys got your belt on? All right, let's go.
Don't want to eat the whole thing? No, I'm not sure mine. I just gave you some.
Maddie! She's so cranky today. Maddie! Gotta sync my phone. I'm not driving. Well, I am driving.
Yummy, yummy. This last one.
Recaps on this show with Kate Casey. Kate, are you there and are you dilated? I don't mean to be emotional.
Okay guys, so I'm back home. So it looks as if the 2-inch works, because I'm not gonna screw it in yet, just as yet. So it goes there, and voila, the drawer is complete. So you guys are gonna see this video today, so let me know if I should leave the cabinet like that, you know, with a little bit of distressing, or like plain Jane. So distress or plain Jane. I like the distressed look. It makes me feel like I don't have to be, you know, so anal about it not chipping. But I also like the clean and simple. You want some water? Would you like water? Say please. Say please. Say please. Okay, okay. All right. Well, you don't have to be a brat. You don't have to be a brat. I will get you water ASAP. Like ASAP, okay? ASAP. Ooh, mommy will get you this water ASAP. Is this bottle leaking? Or did I just pour it wrong?
You probably poured it wrong, mommy.
I did? Oh, man. What do you say? Say thank you. Like, you don't have to be a brat, Aaliyah. Oh, now I have to clean up this water.
You probably poured it too quick.
So, yeah. What was I saying? So, distress, no distress. I like this look because it kind of matches the countertop a little bit. And then you have this speck of gray. It looks like kind of gray. So, it's not terrible. I can live with the countertop until next year. I don't have to change it up right away. So, I need to clean my kitchen. I'm getting ready to, I got the curtain rods. These are so stinking cute, guys. It's out of focus. This is so stinking cute. I love this thing. Oh my word. They were like $25.99 a piece. Like $26.
That was me, guys.
And the sad part about having credit card to every store, you just leave a trail of debt everywhere you go. So anyways, I'm getting ready to start editing this because I promise I'm gonna be consistent. Don't keep me. I don't know what I was saying in the car before, but I have to go get something to eat and start dinner. So I will see you guys in a little bit.
Or, mommy, you can put it right there. It's gonna go. Hey guys, mommy's about to show you her curtain rods for her room.
Be careful, because that camera is not set up right.
Oh, okay. Okay, wait, I want to see mommy do something. Goodness, mommy. I can bring the scissors.
Scissors. Patience, Janice. This is what I'm talking about. I don't have patience for this.
Why did you start Mommy's video, Daddy? Mommy!
Did she start the video?
Go stop it.
Daddy, start the video. No, I didn't.
You can stop it.
Oh, okay.
Mute it. Alright, want to go.
I can hear the silence as I'm walking by. Everyone's so quiet. I know the reason why. I'm not gonna hide it. you can see it. What you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. Come on, say something. I wanna hear your voice. Give it all or nothing. The moment's getting lost. Ain't no time for stopping. So show me what you need. I know that you want it, but what you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. What you got yourself into. I can feel your eyes on me.
It's so hard to show curtains, but that's the finished product. It's not perfect. It was a struggle to get it up there, and there was a lesson that I learned from hanging these curtains that one day I will share with you guys, but right now I just want to go lay down on the couch. Why is there a sledgehammer on my bed? And putty on my nightstand. Destiny, come pick up your pillow and your thing. Actually, that pillow is mine.
No, it's not.
So take it off and put it on, put your cover, your pillow cover on the pillow I bought you, and give him back my pillow.
So guys, look what mommy made. Spaghetti and meatballs. Oh, so good.
I think I gave your dad too much.
Does that look too much?
You can always.
Hey, I sat in my safe.
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna share her dinner, my dinner, and I'm gonna call it a night. Next, I'm gonna do a nighttime routine. So look out for that video. But thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. Want to say bye, young lady?
Bye-bye, Sancho.
And I'm gonna do a cleaning video. So all this mess that I just created, I'm gonna clean it up. So you're gonna see that video. And I will talk to you guys in my next video.
Bye.
Oh, I forgot to show you guys hubby.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Say bye. Well, say hi and bye. Say bye.
Bye.
So I will see you guys tomorrow.